Okay, so we're 30 seconds away from the decision. The main market, as we discussed in the previous slide, to focus on is the euro here. This is the one close to that level at 31. And what you're looking for is anything dovish. Any suggestion that the ECB has taken action should be enough to provide you a trade to get short before 31s. If you can manage that for the quick stops type move below 31, down into that box that we previously mentioned around 12s down to 03s. So decisions about to appear. They took action. You get the opportunity to get short beforehand. Then we get the fast drop down into the box and straight back towards 31s. No break of 31 this time, and you get a second chance down towards 14, 15. But this is now where, with that structural completion, we now need to see more from the ECB to keep this going. We're not seeing it in terms of rates. We're not seeing the language change either, and straight away we're back through 31. Now everyone who's sold below 31s is trapped, and this is what's causing the quick move up that you're seeing now up towards 112.50s, and then having held 112.41, 42 area, we then continue to progress. It's very clear now that all the ECB has done is small change to language and just information on the tail trade. So we hold 42 again, push up towards 55. Your next target is going to be 64. And this was all down to that structural completion. You've got the quick flick through 31s and the stops as would be expected. So very fast move there. But unless the market could hold below there, unless you had a particularly dovish scenario, you are unlikely to stay below 31 in an overall bullish market. So you had the fade opportunity or the reversal trade as you come back through 31 to get yourself long to try and play for a move up towards 64, which, as you can see, we've reached 64 now. We're 2 minutes after the decision, and you've had a range of around about 50 ticks established, an opportunity to get short for a very quick opportunistic smash and grab trade, and then having seen no real change from the ECB, a chance then to get long to play it. I would say a more steady trade, but still a very quick trade. Once 31 goes, everyone who's short, everyone who's sold on that, took policy action, has to come out of their positions, and that creates the rush up towards 64s. Following that, it's then a case, and as you can see now, we're starting to consolidate around about 112.56 up to 112.62, not breaking that area to the downside. This is suggesting that we can keep the move going, that we can get through 64, potentially up towards 86, as you can see on the charts on the right. So what you're looking for is, where does this market drop to? And consistently we drop down to 12.56. Can't get through there. Once again, push up towards 62, 63 area. And this time we're now starting to hold at 60. You see a little bit of buying coming there at 60. And the market holds. We're not getting that pullback to 56. This is showing you that the buyers are willing to come in higher. And that's what would be suggesting that you can get the break of 64 and then potentially a continuation, as I say, all the way up towards 86 to keep this bullish trend going. There goes your 64s. This is where you'd then be looking for a continuation. Yes, a quick flip back to 63, but you're still looking now, continuation up, continue to break new highs towards those 86s. So all this was all about that, understanding which market to be taken for that early structural trade. The euro had the setup to break those lows very quickly. We were trading right near it, and you had a good expectation of stops. As soon as that didn't result in anything further though, this is where you could then start trying to play the reversal trade back through those 31s, which offered you that continuation up towards those 64s. No break this time. If you are still long from 31, this potentially could be an opportunity to try and take that profit. You've still got a 30 tick winner, but it's failed this time to rush through those 64s. That's what you're looking for on these structural completion trades, and that's what you're looking for on a very quick one, a quick stop out type trade.